Today we have by-elections in Baringo South, in North Kadem Ward, and Bobasi Chache. So my appeal is to the residents of those areas: turn out in large numbers, exercise your democratic right to choose your leaders, and the commission will ensure that your vote is counted. We are in as a commission to deliver the elections to the Kenyan people in a free, fair, and credible environment. So that's my appeal, and also to the media. If you see anything you feel is interfering with that process, please feel free, bring it out. This is your country.
So I think it is going to be a very credible exercise. We only have 132 polling stations, so really going into the live transmission of results for such a very small election is unnecessary cost for us, and so we wanted to save any costs that are associated with it without necessarily affecting the credibility of the process. I think everything will be transparent. My only concern is that up until now, perhaps the turn-up is not as we expected, but we are hoping that people are doing their daily routine, their daily shows in the morning session, and as usual Kenyans will come at the 11th hour, sindio?
Basi leo uchaguzi katika Baringo South inaendelea vizuri. Asubuhi ya leo nimekuja nikapika kura yangu na nimekamilisha. Tunatarajia mazuri tutakapomaliza kazi hii. Nataka tu niombe wananchi wafanye kwa amani jinsi tunayo amani sasa, na wafanye uchaguzi kwa njia ambayo inafaa.